Now the recipe is available in 138 languages. Turn on the caption, CC, for the same. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get the updates of my latest recipes. Shezwan sauce preparation. 1/3 cup oil. 2 tablespoon chopped ginger. 2 tablespoon chopped garlic. Sauté for few seconds. 3/4 cup chili paste, recipe in the description box. Sauté on high flame for 5 minutes. 1 tablespoon fruit vinegar. 2 tablespoon chopped coriander stem. Green chilies 1 tablespoon or as per taste. 1/2 teaspoon white pepper powder. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon sugar. 1/4 cup tomato ketchup. Keep stirring to avoid sticking and burning. When oil is separated, Shezwan sauce is ready. Cool it completely. Chinese bowl preparation. Fry the boiled noodles on high flame. Stir it. Take out when it turns golden and crispy. Drain the excess oil. 1 cup cabbage, grated. Sauté for a minute. 1/2 cup sliced carrot. 1 capsicum sliced. 1/2 cup spring onion. Sauté for a minute on high flame. Cool it completely. 1 sliced onion. 1 tablespoon Shezwan sauce. 1 teaspoon chili sauce. Handful of chopped coriander. 1 cup fried noodles. Mix well. 1 teaspoon fruit vinegar. 1/4 teaspoon salt. Enjoy your meal. Ingredients are available in the description box. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.